Did you know there's a time travel riddle that breaks math itself? Here's the puzzle that stumps 90% of people. A grandfather is 60, his son is 30, and his grandson is 10. Simple math, right? But then they all time travel. The grandfather goes back 20 years. The father travels forward 10 years. The son goes back 5 years. Now here's where it gets crazy. In the new timeline, the grandfather is 40, the father is 40, and the son is 5. Wait, that means the father and grandfather are the same age. How is that even possible? Pause the video and think about it. The math seems impossible, right? Here's the twist that everyone misses. The father never actually time traveled at all. He just aged normally for 10 years while the others were gone. The grandfather went back 20 years, making him 40. The son went back 5 years, making him 5. But the father? He stayed put and aged 10 years, going from 30 to 40. The illusion of impossible math comes from assuming everyone time traveled when only 2 people actually did.